sit there, baby? Come and grab my body.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge. I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. In this video I want to show you how to make baking soda mixture, that is baking soda, otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda. It is highly beneficial for plants to help them grow very well. You can also use it as an organic pesticide. This is a 1 liter bottle. If you don't have a 1 liter bottle or cup, you can use some other way to measure it. This is bicarbonate of soda, usually used for baking. By the way, it's an alternative to baking powder, but baking powder contains some of about 30% of baking soda. Baking soda comes from natural sources and it is highly organic. It's very organic. You can drink it, you can cook with it, you can do many things with it, even clean with it. We'll be doing more videos in the future of how to use baking soda, but for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you how to use it as a fertilizer for your garden. I shared with you a previous video. This is 1 teaspoon, usually 1 teaspoon to 1 liter of water. So this is I shared a video with you on how, or where I was pouring this water on my plant, and I promised to show you guys how I made the combo. So this is how it looks like. Usually, because I'm using the other hand to hold the camera, I'm not able to show you properly, but usually when you're measuring 1 teaspoon, it is usually level spoon, not heaped spoon, guys. It's usually level spoon. So I'm just measuring this out, and I'll be mixing it, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks eventually. Under normal circumstances, like I said, you can drink this water. Yes, I normally drink it from time to time, about half teaspoon to 1 glass of water or thereabout. I'll be linking the full prescription, the full direction on this video eventually. Guys, it is very, very good. It helps to detoxify, it helps to alkalize the blood and the body, of course. So if you're new on my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I'm using 3 teaspoons of this. This is the 3rd teaspoon, and I'm going to be using 3 liters of water. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and join this humble, amazing family. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for all your support. This is 1 liter of water. Look at where the gauge is, and I'm adding that to this combo. Our 2nd liter of water. If you have like all these 1 liter bottles they use for honey, you can use it as your 1 liter bottle, or you can just gauge it with 175 cl 65 cl plastic bottle for water, and then just eyeball another 25 cl to make your 100 cl, which is 1 liter. So this is the ugu leaf that is I transplanted a few weeks ago, and it's doing well, only that the leaves are turning yellow. Some of the leaves are turning yellow, meaning that they are not getting as much nutrient. There are really different factors that can cause it. It's either the water is not getting enough water, or it is too waterlogged, water is not draining properly, or of course it's lacking some sodium or some magnesium and potassium. Yeah, the magnesium and potassium you can get from Epsom salt, but we're trying out to see if it's losing some sodium, this is why we're using this baking soda. Yes. I'll be carrying you guys along to know whether this works. If this doesn't work, I'll be trying another alternative to make sure that the plants turn back green and make sure that they have their usual color and are healthy and blooming. That's the reason why we're doing this. We don't want to waste our efforts, right, guys? So it's expected that this is poured in the plants every 2 weeks, once every 2 weeks. But if this doesn't work out, I don't think I have that patience to wait 1 whole month to be sure that this works. I may be trying other methods. If I don't see any improvement in 2 weeks or so, I'll have to change what I'm using. I'm going to try another alternative. When watering, just make sure that you water properly to be sure that the water gets to the roots part, because you're not just watering the stems and the leaves, you're watering all the root is the most important part of is the most important part that should get watered. Eventually, like I said before, I'll be moving this one in the blue bag because I think it's too low and may not give the roots enough room to grow. And your plants do better when they have a good root system and enough room for the roots to expand. I hope you guys are able to learn one or two things from this video I have just made. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. And then give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get updates anytime I share a new post. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.